What's up, though, Chad? I'm back. Like, y'all, I know the freaking hair. Trying to do some side part shit. I know last time I picked up the cam, I was with my girl and shit. Taking pictures in at some cafe and shit. But we ready to go to the gun show and shit. I'm ready to go to the gun show. I'm not gonna lie, I might pick up a t-shirt because I don't really like this black tee and pants I got on. Let me move my own. Oh, D. Close the wash. But yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just rock with a white tee and shit. Go get a pack of white tees and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I go do that, and when I go when we get to the gun show and shit. So I'm gonna get back up with y'all. Alright, what's up, chat? I ain't gonna lie, we at Target right now. So, but yeah, I'm ready to get these tees. These some of the best white tees. We ready to go to the gun show and shit. Ready to cop these, put this shit on as soon as I get outside, and then we're gonna go to the gun show. I might cop these. What you gonna cop?
Oh, you some more from the gun show?
Yeah.
He's 43. I ain't gonna lie. Man. Slaving for that bitch.
Slaving for Alright, but I'm gonna get back up with y'all when we get to the gun show. What's up, chat? I ain't gonna lie, it's bright as shit outside. Can y'all see me good? Oh hell yeah, y'all can see me good. We here, we made it. Y'all see I switched the shirt, got BMO as the backpack. Hope y'all can see that. And shit. I don't know, I might cop Peasy. But if you in the rich, you know, damn near everything getting banned next month. No 15 round mags, no pistol grip, no 30 barrel. Everything getting banned. Every little thing getting banned, chat. But shit, chat, I already got my shit, so I'm okay. I got a 15 and a 17 round. Bro, it's hot as shit today. This nigga got on a hoodie.
It's gonna drop.
Well, it's not that hot today, but ready to build. Oh, one thing I am getting today though, I might not cop Peasy, but what I am getting, I'm getting some hollow points. I ain't gonna lie, hollow rounds. Definitely getting some hollows. Them bitches. Can't be shooting no FMJ, chat. I'm telling. He just bought some. He just bought some. What's up, chat? I'm back. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't have my drone out for a minute because it was like, if you recording on your camera, they gonna tell you, they gonna escort you out. But I'm looking for 9mm and I can't find them. I got dead ass can't find them. That 38 special, excuse me. Here we go. 9mm. Oh, these are tracers. Found some hollows. Yep, these are hollows. Hollows. How much is the 9mm ammo?
You want target defense?
Defense.
Defense get up here and around the dollar, right?
How much is this one? 40. Can I open this and see what it looks like? Walk out here with 9mm. That's a decent one. It really is. 89, that's 250. We're gonna just get this one. 124. 50 rounds. Then we got tracers, bro. Like, tracers? Showing my man boobs, alright? Showing my man boobs. Hold on, Jack. I need some checks. 60? Alright. Yeah.
Sorry?
You can open the box.
I can open?
$75. 50 bucks.
50 bucks? Okay, thank you.
Maybe I'll take cash. No tax.
Yeah, no tax.
Thank you. Alright, Chad, we got it. We got the defense ammo, straight hollows. I'm telling you, bro, straight hollows. No more F&J. I thought somebody said my name. No more motherfucking F&J checks. Let's go into the other side of the building. Bro, I'm trying to find a job, bro. I don't know where he is. Bro, I don't know what to look for. I'm not gonna lie, Chuck. I don't know. Look, Chuck.
That's works right there. That's fractional gold right there.
Excuse me. Bro, my phone keeps going out. Chad keeps stopping recording. I'm trying to see some ARPs, Chad. I'm trying to see some ARPs. Using ARPs. These are ARPs, Chad did not.
What makes you say?
I ain't gonna lie. Chad, y'all should have seen them hollows. What a mag at? These the ARs and shit. These motherfuckers. Chill outside. They don't got shit. They got more ARs over here. Huh? The ARPs.
380. Well, that's actually good.
Excuse me. Why they got AUGs on the table? What is, I want, nigga, that right there? You sneaking up on some crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The ARPs. Yeah. This one?
Yes.
It's some military shit too.
This PSH.
Holy shit. Nigga said PPSH and gang don't cost that much. And they got that 450? Shit, not bad though. Shit.
Yeah.
Another 450.
Yeah, I know there's one over there.
Oh shit. That came from the cartel, chat. Bro, I'm trying to get this Glock mag. I'm trying to get this Glock mag, chat. Excuse me. Chat, bro, I shot this joint at the range. Like, this shit is expensive as shit. I shot this at the range, like, I'm straight.
See, look, they got all the different ones.
They got that shit in abundance. And then they got an AUG, like, it's got an AUG from Call of Duty.
I gotta get some balls.
Like, there's so much shit in here, chat. I know. Oh, I am gonna go back and buy some shit that I do like, cause I do shit like that. I buy little shit that I like.
kind of early. Like this morning till 1, they were like
Yo,
nobody.
what the
I mean, there were people, but it went through like so quick.
They really got that shit. This shit hard over here. They all bullpups. This is like some paintball shit. Paintball extreme. They got Uzis.
Look.
Oh my god, it's running like water. Alright, I'm back. I wasn't chilling. I was just walking around chat, looking at different shit. What the hell? Is this? Oh, this is soap. Never mind, I don't think it was soap. Whoa, these are tough. These pyramids are tough. These are overly tough. Fuck, I'm the only one that has. I should be the only one with this shit. I should be the only one with that shit, chat. The only one. The only one. But it seems like everybody has a damn Taurus. I just bought some pecans. Ain't good. I'm thinking about buying this. Stop.
He's like, really? And he said, yeah. I said, I want to help him out. I said, if some little kid bought all this gold back.
This shit tough, bro. Tell the killers I'm riding with it. But baby, I can love you. The only thing they put me through. I ain't never say I couldn't improve. For 20 more years, I still be here for you. I bet your friend want me. Chat. I got finished with the gun range. A few minutes ago, I ain't gonna lie, but I'm not going right now, but I am going back down. Not for long though. I barely recorded on my own camera, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna just get that footage off, edit the video and upload it in. And then I'll just upload some old gun range footage, I'm not gonna lie, because I don't want this to be a completely boring video. So I'm gonna upload some old footage for y'all, I ain't gonna lie. And then we're just gonna call it a day. Go to the gun range with me, I ain't gonna lie. Go to the gun range. So I'm gonna forward y'all. I do got more content on the way. I do have more plans actually too. Like I have OD ideas, OD plans I got in mind. So I'm not gonna just this nigga driving. So I'm not just gonna say I got this and that in my mind and not try and act on it. Like I'm gonna try my best and put the most effort I can to act on these ideas and these things I want to do to actually, you feel me, make shit happen. So I'm gonna get back up with y'all at a later date.